Hi, my name is Jair Alexis Martinez Peña. Presentation Task 4. The reason for choosing the holding company is for its contribution to air pollution, to emission of carbon dioxide. Its contamination is more frequent at night, so that the inhabitants of the municipality of Nopsa don't realize this problem. A letter was sent to Holcim indicating the reason why I am dissatisfied with the treatment of the environment. A plant that can help to improve this damage to environment is one, decreases the hours of broadcast. Two, improve the emission system. So that is about international standards. Three, if this will help decrease global warming, humans and animals, and there is respect ecosystems will be safe. Thank you.